project that always resonates, sits with me and sits close to my heart was in the early 2000s. Our customer was building a train, the Millennium train. The only problem was that the Olympic Games had come and it was called the Millennium train, but the train wasn't finished because the train builder at the time had selected suppliers to produce parts that come together to assemble that train. There was a specific part that another supplier had attempted to manufacture, and they were mucking around with it for up to about 9 months. The train was like ready to go, it just needed this part. We had bidded on that job 9 months prior. We weren't successful until one day someone turned up and said, "Hey guys, can you make this part?" We said, "Hang on a second, hadn't you ordered them elsewhere?" They said, "We did. We've mucked around with this previous supplier. They actually can't produce it. And now we've got a big problem. We need 16 of these parts and we needed them in 2 weeks." Well, where do you start? Small business, we split our crew to run 3 shifts. The next day, we knew exactly what machines we needed. We had the machines here on our floor. Our customer literally lived here for 2 weeks straight. Sat in this chair while the guys were on the lathe, machining those shafts up. 5-6 days into it, we really showed them what we could do. On the 14th day, we delivered 16 of those shafts.